when sorry isn't enough. You see, First for Lawyers are experienced personal injury specialists.
Is that your ball?
100% of your compensation. So find out free if you can make a no-win, no-fee claim. Call First for Lawyers first on 0800 567 7844.
You go look. Got it.
We'll aim to have a replacement within 24 hours.
Wow, 24 hours? You're having a giraffe?
No giraffes, but we'll aim to repair your van within 7 days.
Is that you, Steve?
No, this is Tom.
Steve, I rang you by mistake, you know.
Good girl.
Steve, look.
No, really?
Oh,
That's rubbish.
That's the way
clever girl, aren't you? On your back. Oh, good girl. Pretty.
Your van insurance come direct to the
Pretty girl.
line for business.
That's how you do it without falling off the sofa. That's how you do it without falling off the sofa. Yes, it is. You're soppy, aren't you?
The brand new 50 Plus collection is out now. Get your style and your fit in sizes 12 to 32. Exclusive looks you won't find on the high street. Smart or casual, whatever the occasion. With 10% off your first order.
Clever girl, aren't you? Look at you. Look at you. Oh, clever girl.
This is an important announcement to anyone who's had a loan. If you were sold payment protection
Roll over.
insurance with any loan
Roll over.
since 2004,
Roll over.
reclaim the premium.
Roll over. Good girl.
PI was missold.
Clever girl. You clever girl, aren't you? Clever, clever, clever. Yes, you are.
So call our claims unit now.
You roll over.
08000
Oh, clever girl. You're my beautiful girl. Yes, you are. Oh, clever. Clever girl. You can roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Nope. Not that time. Sorry. You're having fun with that, aren't you? Says Casper rolling over. Oh, had enough of that now. On the floor. On the floor. Mwah. Kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss. Oh, some apple on you, sorry.
jewelry has been found in a passenger's bag.
Pretty girl.
This undeclared haul could be just the beginning, as
That's the camera lead.
she was not traveling alone.